Move and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Hillandale, local and long-distance movers near me. Our movers know how to pack your belongings protectively to ensure they reach your new space safely. 3 Men in a Truck has a great experience in handling any commercial or residential move. No matter how much distance you need to cover, we can help. Along with long-distance moving services, we offer some other services including packing and unpacking of things, supplying affordable packing materials, transparent pricing and timely services, advanced packaging techniques, fleets of trucks, trained staff, customizable services, and a free quote, well-maintained and supervised storage units. We are licensed and insured. Relocating might save you from finding a new job or school for your kids and finding your favorite dine-out places. Still, it's as difficult as any long-distance move because you do need to deal with packing and handling heavy material. Our moving crew specializes in handling local moves. We will help you get packed and unpacked at your new home or office in just a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Hillandale moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.